Today I'm going to show you how to find books, articles, and more using the library search engine, SearchUW. To reach the University Library homepage and SearchUW, from the open web search for UW Stout Library or type library.uwstout.edu. SearchUW is located under the page navigation. If you are in Canvas, look for the library guides in your course navigation. To begin a search, enter your search terms in the search box. I will use sleep deprivation in quotes to keep the phrase together. If you are not already logged into your account, there will be a banner that prompts you to sign in. If you are logged in, your name is in the upper right-hand corner. Logging in gives you access to the most relevant materials for your search and allows you to save and request materials. Notice the number of results, in this case 87,111, and that you are seeing a mixture of books, articles, and other materials such as videos. These items are immediately available to the UW Stout community, either online or in our physical collection. If you have difficulty finding what you need, try clicking the checkbox to the left of Expand to include NonFull Text. This will show you articles that are not immediately available, but can be ordered for you through our Fetch It For Me interlibrary loan service. If you look at the drop-down menu, note that your default search is Search Stout Resources, which already includes articles and Stout books and media. If you want to see books available at other UW schools, search the UW Books Media Collection or Search All. There are other specialized searches such as the EMC, Stout Theses and Dissertations, and Archives. If you have too many results, look at the facets on the left-hand side. Do you want only peer-reviewed scholarly journals? Check this box. Do you only need current information? Change the dates. Once you find an item that you like, getting it completely depends on what type of item it is. If the item is immediately available, click the Online Access link. Then follow one of the links to the database options. Sometimes an item is not immediately available. In this case, you will see Request This Item. Click Request This Item and follow the prompts to use the Fetch It For Me interlibrary loan service. There are other tools available in SearchUW, but this should be enough to get you started. Don't hesitate to contact a librarian when you have questions or need help finding specific information. Use the Ask a Librarian link in the menu.